everyone, I'm Kashmira Kalsekar from Relative Rap. I welcome you all to my show Crafting Couch with Relative Rap. So today I'm honored to invite our third guest who is into this industry and who is so passionate about her work, about the craft that she has so much guts to leave everything else and just focused in craft. Yes, and she is Andrea Chandrasekhar from Mumbai Craft. Let's have a conversation with her and know her story.
Hello, Andrea. Welcome to my brand new show, Crafting Couch with Reddy Frap. Can you give a small introduction about yourself so that the fellow crafter will know you more better?
Thank you, Kashmira, for giving me this opportunity to talk on Mumbai crafts and my journey. I have been passionate about crafting right 10 years back, but it was initially a hobby. And
Yes.
today I have made it my company, my bread and butter, and I'm
Oh,
hoping to
wow.
take this forward.
Yes, yes, wonderful. So we'll begin with the question Q&A series.
Yeah.
How has the shift been from endless pressure to a peaceful passion?
The shift has been most satisfying. The wait has been actually 10 years, and I finally uh, built up my courage to quit this most sought after corporate job to step into my and follow my passion.
Yes, I can see that. Okay, so how you came up with the name Mumbai Craft? Like, what was the motivation behind the name Mumbai Craft?
I was looking for something unique, something catchy, hard to forget. I wanted to resonate the name with my place of inception.
Okay.
Mumbai crafts in Mumbai, like we have people of different cultures living
Yes.
in harmony. So, likewise with Mumbai craft, we have a lot of different crafts, forms of craft, and we also make mixed media.
Okay.
So finally we'll drill down to the name Mumbai crafts.
Oh wow, wonderful, wonderful name. Okay, so I've seen your Instagram feed and I found it very like one beautifully. Yeah, you managed it wonderfully. So how do you manage it all? Like, there's something you have mindset something that I want this beautiful or something like that.
Actually, I'm in the creative field, and I'm very particular about the look and feel of my products
Yes.
because it resonates with me.
Okay. Wonderful. So you participated in different exhibitions and workshops. Uh, So what do you want to say about your experience in that?
Yeah, I have participated in many exhibitions in Navi Mumbai and Thane.
Yes.
Uh, Even when I was doing a 9 to 5 job, I used to pick up exhibitions that would fall on weekends.
Okay.
So that it does not hamper with my office work. I also remember that when I used to come home after 8 o'clock
Oh
in the
my God.
evening, I used to freshen up, take a hot cup of tea, and sit with my crafting till around 12:30, 1,
Oh
completely
wow.
losing track of time. Started this exhibitions. I was the only stall in the exhibition that had made handmade products. A lot of people loved my work, and they even took my business card, but very few
Oh
bought the items.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, people think that handmade crafts are not durable, and it's a waste of money. They don't realize the hard work, efforts,
What we are
and the
going
time
through,
that
yes.
and the thought that goes in. Yeah, the thought that goes in to make some beautiful gifting articles.
Exactly. I can really understand this because even I go through the same concept people do. So you make most
uh,
beautiful jewelry, like handmade jewelry. So what is the experience? Like how do you make it all? Where do you learn all this? You make a most beautiful jewelry, like from earrings to bracelets. So where do it come from? Like how do you make it?
yeah, I actually spend my free time watching all YouTube channels, crafting videos. The
Okay.
different forms of craft, it's amazing. The techniques that they use, I just love it. I keep trying new forms of art and craft I had made wire jewelry as well as quilling jewelry sets.
Wow. So the struggle and mocking you faced when you left the job to achieve your passion. So,
I have actually 25 years of experience in the corporate field,
oh wow.
and I wanted to follow my passion from last 10 years. But I did not have the courage to leave a job like Tata Communication,
Yes.
and I also had financial commitments. So after 10 years, I finally decided that I need to quit. My friends and colleagues, they thought that I'm gone crazy, and that people who would want to leave a job like Tata's, and everyone wants to get in, and I'm leaving.
Yes.
So they even asked me how am I going to pay off my home loans. I still don't have the answer, you know. But the craving is so strong that I finally took a step of faith to follow my passion. And I quit my job at the end of November 2018. So now the situation is really bad and I'm literally struggling to survive. But I still feel, I still don't have any regrets.
Yeah, wonderful. So, can you tell you more about your journey? Like, how was it?
Like I mentioned, I wanted to start 10 years back. I used to make greeting cards for my colleagues and the EVP events, invites for the EVP events, office
Okay.
car, and I used to design that on PowerPoint, search the net
Wow.
for some beautiful images, wordings. I even went bought some hard card stock and asked my colleagues to give colored printouts. So this is how the journey started.
When you started your shop, like, I heard that you have a shop in Navi Mumbai.
Yeah, I started it. I quit in November 2018, and December I started my shop. Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
immediately, because I didn't want to sit idle,
Right.
then the plans get deferred when you don't have nothing to do, and
Exactly.
I just thought immediately I should start, because you may start feeling the regret, and I didn't want to do that.
Yes,
So, and then
exactly.
what happens when you're used to this monthly salary coming in, and then suddenly it's gone, then
Oh, yeah.
you get
Exactly. Yeah.
tense that what next, and
Yeah.
then
You're insecure about it.
yeah,
Okay.
that's the only part I miss. The salary.
Oh, wow.
Actually, since I wanted to do something creative, something different. I love fashion, so I wanted to do a part-time course, in
Okay.
fashion designing. So Tata's, we have 5 days a week, so I spend my weekends. I enrolled for fashion designing at the Karudia School of Professional Studies,
Oh,
which
wow.
lasted for around 6 to 8 months. I even designed beautiful dresses for my daughter, and I also
Wow.
made cute cartoon character bags,
Wow.
like Doraemon, Hello Kitty, Dora's backpack. Yeah. But
Yes.
the challenge is that when you're getting cheap Chinese products, nobody will want to spend money on
Yes.
your this thing.
Exactly.
So then I was quite disappointed. Then I started again looking for something, because that when you're a creative person, you cannot just sit like that. So you look
Yes.
for different alternatives, and so I kept watching videos, and then accidentally I came across quilling. So
Oh,
it's a beautiful paper art.
yes. Yes.
So yeah, I kept looking at all the video. I was just glued on. I kept looking at all the videos, the techniques. I even purchased the material and the tools from US,
Oh
and
my
through
God.
eBay. Yeah, through
Wow.
eBay was the only the at that time, eBay was the only one. No, Amazon was not there. So
Yes.
from US, I used to spend double the cost, and I got the items. I went on to make beautiful home decor wall frames, quilling wall frames, and people really loved it. I got a lot of Facebook likes, Instagram, but very few people want to buy it. because they think
Yes.
it's a paper product, it's not durable, it's waste of money. But the time that it takes consumes,
Yes. They don't
it's
appreciate
people
the.
don't value that, you know,
Yes,
and the
actually.
thought, yeah, the thought that goes in. So again, that was a big disappointment for me. Then in this 10 years, I've done from fabric to clay to paper craft
Oh
to
wow.
candle making to jute work. You know, so I have tried out all. My list is long, and I'll continue to increase the
Yes.
number of items on my list.
Wonderful.
So I also make mixed media. So this kept me, it was just like I was just glued on. And at one point, I was not really enjoying my corporate job, and I wasn't doing justice,
Too
because I
much.
was
Yes.
thinking of doing exhibitions, and I did not have the time because I need to create products for the
Yes.
exhibition.
Yes.
I'm paying, huge amount for the exhibition, and I need my stall full of items.
Right.
So then eventually I quit.
Okay. So from your journey, what would you like to give a message to all the fellow crafters?
My my journey. See, any sort of art and craft is a big stress buster. Do you
Yes.
get glued on? You relieve your stress, and you just lose complete track of time. The results is you get immense satisfaction
Yes.
when people appreciate your work, and when they step by. Like I said, I was the only handmade craft stalls in the exhibition, and when they step by, they ask questions, they share their experiences. I've realized that a lot of people have lost their passion and in
Yes.
the hustle and bustle of life,
Exactly.
and when they share their experiences, and then the emotions that they're being fond memories that come back to them, and they tell me that they're going to start again, then I feel
Yes.
that, yeah, I am going on the right track, and this gives me
Yes.
the strength to go on.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah. So, and my tagline also says building memories forever.
Oh wow. Nice. This good. Like superb tagline.
Yeah.
Building memories together.
Forever we bring memories.
Yes.
So whenever
Forever.
people see us, they will remember their old memories that I used to do this craft. I think there was some, they used to make dolls out of the plastic strips type. Then
Yes.
they used to do crochet and whatever. So it brings that memories, and they just, that joy in their eyes. You can see that, and you feel really nice, whether they buy your products or no, but the feeling is great.
Exactly. Yes. Okay. So yeah, we are end of the Q&A session. Now we'll go to the next phase of our interview. So you have to show your product, which like you have recently made, or like you have it with you. So you can show the products which you have and put bit a
Yes,
description
I
about it.
should. Uh, See, these are, I had made it for Valentine's Day.
Oh
These
wow.
are, yeah, boxes, heart shaped boxes. I'm not sure if you're able to see it.
No, yeah, it's
Okay, so
visible. Yes.
it's here it's saying Happy Valentine's Day. Cute
Yes.
little paper,
Hearts.
these
Yes.
hearts and a bow, and these are all red roses around it,
These are paper
and
roses.
yeah, paper roses.
Okay. Wow.
Sad, cute teddy bear,
Oh wow.
roses, and there's a message bottle inside. You know, so
Yes.
so these are the roses that were there inside,
Oh
and
wow.
this cute little teddy bear. Yeah, and this was one where I have put in my tag Mumbai Crafts behind. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Then this is another one which I had made with special memories. Here it's written.
Wow.
Can you see that? And
Yes. Yes. It's visible.
this is, yeah.
This is wonderful.
This heart, yeah, the heart is made of wood, and
Okay.
this is charm,
Metal charm.
and this
Yes.
is pretty, yeah, pretty foams, roses,
Roses.
white. So
Wow.
white
Wow.
and red combination is beautiful. This is
Beautiful.
like a satin, material, paper
Yes,
material.
cloth.
It is satin.
Okay, paper material.
No, it's
Okay.
not cloth, it's paper.
Okay,
And
okay.
this had another
A
teddy bear inside.
teddy. Okay, wow, so cute.
Yeah, small.
Yeah,
It is basically a keychain or whatever,
you can
in
use it.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So these are
Okay.
all handmade. These are paper boxes.
Okay, okay. These are all handmade. Wow.
Yeah, all handmade. So that then this is another explosion box. You and
Oh,
me.
wow. Yes, superb.
Yeah, yeah. So this, yeah, you open it, and there
Yeah,
are
it's a
different boxes
hexagonal shape.
inside. Yes.
Okay, yes.
Then there's another one here. Can you see?
Yes, yes, it's all visible. Wow, wonderful.
And then yeah, and then I love yous here,
Oh, wow. It's,
and the last I put in one red rose inside.
oh, wow. This is superb. This is cute.
This,
I loved it.
yes, and then like I said, I make candles. These are gel candles.
Wow. These are homemade?
This
Like you
is
have made all this?
yes, I made
The
all this.
gel
I actually
inside.
sell on
Okay.
eBay,
Okay.
on Amazon. I'm a seller on Amazon,
Wow, okay.
as well as Flipkart. But I more focus on Amazon because it has a huge audience.
Yes, right, yes.
But yes,
Okay.
I'm still yet to make my mark because handmade products is a bit difficult to sell.
Yes. We'll start with our rapid fire. Like the fun task game, we'll start with the rapid fire.
Okay,
Okay, so crafting or drawing?
crafting.
Okay. Promotional work on Instagram or promotion work on Facebook?
I would say Instagram. Actually, both are linked.
Okay,
Instagram
yes.
is a part of Facebook, yeah. So
Yes.
if you can promote anywhere, but I
Okay.
would say Instagram because it's more where businesses are, and very few like
Yes.
this thing, yeah. So I would say
Okay.
Instagram.
What is your favorite craft to make?
I like paper crafting.
Okay.
I love to make hampers. See,
Oh.
I do hampers for baby shower and for weddings.
Oh, wow,
So these
wow.
are, so flowers, decorations. These are something which I love.
Oh,
So
wonderful.
this is, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, favorite tools in crafting? Like, which is your favorite? Without that, you cannot make any craft. Something like that, which you have.
I need a pair of scissors. I
Okay.
need glue. I
Yes,
need
that's all the mandatory.
yes,
No, other than this,
glue.
like these are the mandatory ones. So, other than this
Yeah.
external tool, what you use?
External, see, we have beautiful punches,
Yes,
paper
yes, yes.
punches. That those you can create beautiful designs from that. Then you have artificial flowers. Let it be foam. You have fabric flowers. You have paper flowers.
Okay.
It's amazing the way you decorate it. Your creativity,
Yes,
your colors.
yes,
So
exactly.
yeah.
So arrange accordingly, okay? I'll give you the name. You have to arrange it as you want, okay? Scrapbook, explosion box, jewelry, quilling, and hampers.
I would prefer hampers, quilling,
Okay.
jewelry, explosion boxes, and scrapbooks.
Oh,
Because scrapbook actually I have done, but there's too much of cutting, too much
yes.
of to make
I
it
know.
this thing, and yeah, it's a lot of time and efforts,
Yes,
and
exactly.
it sells only to the youngsters.
Okay, yeah, that's also true.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So,
So
who
yeah.
is your inspirational crafter in this crafting industry?
I used to purchase a lot of material from Etsy Bitsy, and
Yes.
I look at, yeah. There is a person called Tim Hall. I think
Okay.
he does the, yeah, this dabbing techniques, the ink crafts.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
beautiful. I see a lot of crafters which make wedding cards, and there are a lot of crafters that I see, so which
Yes.
really inspire me. And there, see, internationally, you get a lot of beautiful products that will help crafters. In India,
Okay.
it's very difficult to get those products and for
Yes.
people to recognize. So you it's just that you look at these things and you feel happy about it, and you struggle to get those items from US at
Yes.
really high prices.
Oh, yes. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are done with the fun game.
I also want to give a message
Yes.
to
Yes.
my followers and the people out there, like in countries like US, UK. They encourage talent, they support handmade
Yes.
products.
Yes.
In India, we are still struggling to get recognized. The efforts, time, and talent that we put in,
Yes.
it's not
Yes.
being recognized.
Nice.
I would request the followers and people out there that why can't we support small businesses? Why can't we make buy
Yes.
handcrafted products? There's a lot
Yes.
of hard work, efforts, time, and the thought that goes into make these
Exactly. Yes.
invested,
Yes.
into make. Why can't we promote handmade products, made in India
Yes.
products, rather
Made in
than buy
India product.
Chinese
Yes.
products? We have a lot of Indians globally, and I'm sure they will love made in India products. It
Yes.
will bring them closer to their culture, to their roots, to to their country.
Yeah.
So
To the
I'm sure
motherland.
we will love it, and yeah, and we should support. I would request people to support small businesses. You're not only
Yes.
supporting a dream, you're supporting a family. And
Yes.
so please promote small businesses, make in India. There is a lot of talent out there, and when you buy a product, you're buying a dream, a passion, and it's eco-friendly, it's handmade, one of the kind. And
Yes.
in India, we also, we are what you say, we are considered rich in our handicraft, in our culture. So
Yes.
there are a lot of crafters out there who are struggling to bring our culture out. So please do support them,
Yes.
and promote handmade products, made in India products.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for coming on our show and making this a great like a moment to spend with you and sharing your all experiences and journey. So from our side, we have sent you a small token of love as a in a hamper format. Can you show it to all how like?
Yeah, I loved your hamper, and thank you so much.
Thank you
This is
so
a
much.
beautiful hamper, and there was chocolate inside, which my daughter finished it off, so I
Oh
can't
my
show
god.
you.
No, no
This
problem.
is a cute postcard with a beautiful message out there. I really love the message, and
Thank
I'm
you.
really grateful for you to you as well. For bringing me on your channel, and so that we together can make a difference and
Yes.
promote handmade products. All the artists out there. Then these
Thank
are
you.
beautiful fridge magnets with her logo, and on this, so
Thank
beautiful
you.
things, and a cute little card with a
Yes.
heart shape uh, Uclip with
Yes.
its cute little
Paperclip.
note in their
Yes.
feedback. So my feedback is really, I loved your work, and it's amazing. And here is another this thing, small little cute little folder type, which you can put in your memories,
Yes.
photos. So cute
It's a
uh,
mini album, yeah.
messages. Yeah, messages you can put in, photographs. It's very good for gifting and bringing memories. That bringing back memories. And then this is a tag with my name on it.
Yes.
So it's a beautiful thing, very thoughtful. Thank you so much. And
Thank
the
you. Thank you
chocolates,
so
so we finish eating.
no problem. No worries. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah, it was nice, being on your channel.
It was really great
Yes.
talking to you, like knowing your
Yeah,
experience.
and Yeah, and it's good that we together can make a difference, and
Yes,
people who are coming with new talent. I'm sure that with your channel you can you'll inspire more people, and you'll
yes.
get people who will support people like us, who will take us to the next level.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So I'm here to finally announce the second winner for the riddle, and she is Divya Sarda 1799. So if she's watching this show, please revert back to me or DM me. And thank you for participating. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thank you so much.